Hey, let me show you how we can connect wired earphones into your Redmi Note 13. So we can actually use the headphone jack headphones and the USB-C headphones. Let's start with this USB-C. You have to just grab your phone, input this SIM, the USB port, the USB cable into the USB slot. Now let's unlock the phone. And from this, as you can see, we are connected, and we can find this icon, the headphones icon, in the right upper corner, and it means that we are actually connected with our headphones. And if you want to connect this headphone jack earphones, you have to plug them at the top next to the speaker. From this, you have to wait until you also get this icon. It appears here and on the left upper corner. It means that we are actually connected with the headphones, and you've got this notification that you can talk to your assistant headphones. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.